Welcome, family. Today we're going to make fudge brownie cookies. Yummy. Come join me. Got parchment paper on my cookie sheets. Got the oven on 350. This is a new recipe that I found, Betty Crocker recipe. So we're going to give it a try. But of course, you know me, I have to change it a little bit. This is going to be easy. What we're going to do is we're going to start out with, I just got the fudge brownie mix. And that's what it's supposed to use. So that's what we're going to use. Now we're going to put the fudge mix in the bowl. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of oatmeal. It says quick oats, but I don't have quick oats. So it's going to have to be regular oats. Which, you know, they're just going to be a little bit chewy. That's okay. We're going to add 1/2 cup of oatmeal. We're also going to add 1/2 cup of melted butter, which is 1 stick. Add 1 tablespoon of water. And let's see, we're going to add 1 egg. Okay, now we're going to just, it says just to stir, but I'm just going to use the paddles on my. Okay, that's good. Now, here's where I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm just going to take out some of this. I want to try something different. Just to see. I'm just taking out some of the dough. Just so I know what's going on. Okay. And you probably want to double this for a lot of cookies, I guess. I don't know. I'm just following the recipe. Now I'm going to add, it says to add, I'll put the, the link of the recipe. But it says to add 1/2 cup of peanut butter chips and 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. But you don't want the, I'm just going to add the one. I'm going to add just a, not quite because I took most of it out. I'm also going to add some chocolate chips to this one. Now, and it says 3/4 cup of M&Ms, but I'm only going to add a half a cup because I separated the dough. Okay, we're going to give this one a mix. Okay, that one is done. Okay, that one's done. Now, put this one, I don't want the M&M in there. Okay, now this one, I'm adding just a chunk of chips, but I'm going to add some coconut to it and see, you know, maybe maybe it's just going to be good. Maybe not. I'm going to add about, I suppose I added about half a cup to 3/4 cup. But I tend to overdo it on coconut anyway. Sometimes I get up in the middle of the night and have a spoonful of this coconut. Isn't that terrible? Because I think I need some sweet. I should tell my body to shut up and get back to sleep. All right. Now we have two different kind of cookies here. Here's my cookie scooper. So I'm going to, whoops, the M&M ones. We're just going to put them on here. We'll fix them in a minute. You know, with me, they have to be even. Of course they do. I'm going to give these plenty of space here because I don't know what they're going to do. Okay, now I think it says press each one slightly to flatten. Okay. I can do that. Okay. Now this says bake 12 to 14 minutes until the tops look dry, not shiny anymore. But before I put that in the oven, I'm gonna put this, do this one. I'm hoping these are good because I just love chocolate and coconut together. And since I've been, see, you know what that means? Now in the middle of the night, guess what I'm going to be? I'm going to have to put them away, lock and key. I have been known to hide the candy. My husband hides it in another room, which I'm grateful. Okay, I'm going to flatten these a little bit. I don't know what I'm going to call these. Fudge Brownie Coconut Cookies. How about that? Fudge Brownie Cookies with M&Ms and Fudge Brownie. Or I suppose they're like monster cookies. So Fudge Brownie Monster Cookies and Brownie Coconut Cookies. How about that? All right, we're going to put these in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes until the cookies don't look wet anymore, is what they said. All right, we'll be back. Okay, these came out. See, they're no longer wet looking. So now we let them sit for 5 minutes. We're going to have cookies now. Look at that, everybody. I am the dishpan Jenga queen. Here we go. We're going to try them. First, we're going to try the monster cookie, the brownie monster cookie. I like them because they're crispy on the outside, on the edges, and they're chewy on the inside. I like that. So good. Now we're going to try the brownie coconut. I got to get the taste of M&Ms out of my mouth, though. Okay, ready? These are really good. I'm glad I discovered these. Chocolate and coconut. Crispy on the edges, chewy on the inside. Very good. Go ahead and take one. These are good. If I can quit chewing, maybe I'll be able to talk to you. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.